lane filter a little bit. Oh, braking. Go ahead and lane filter, get yourself out of that escape. Good job. Now, I don't know if we should be lane filtering this fast because we're going to hit vehicles and then tap this one and then fall on the ground. Right.
The worst spot to do a U-turn, blocking traffic and blaming the biker for everything.
Oh, nice little side of the vehicle. Side of the vehicle. Go ahead and blame the biker for that illegal U-turn. Lou, DMV rider, you're doing fine. Just nice quick little honk. Go ahead and give him that happy bird and then move on. So Simon, Kiara, Watson, we're going through an intersection area. We got a person just jumping out of their car. Always watch out for vehicles on the side that are parked, especially vans like this, and they're starting to work around it. Give yourself a nice space cushion around that. You don't want to be hanging out. So we're gonna go start to do that, but we're not really switching lanes. We're stuck right here, and now we're gonna have to do some type of a swerve. Now look at where we're gonna swerve, right on a grate. No buenos. No buenos. So we need to start positioning ourselves a little bit for safety and moving over just even more. I understand it's a bus lane, but I don't want to swerve on that. Okay, but did a great job with the red stage maneuver. Swerved out of the way, did a little head shake. Woo. All right, Willie Anthem. Here we go, going through here. Watch out, our lane is moving. Theirs isn't. We're gonna go ahead and lane filter a little bit. Oh, braking. Go ahead and lane filter, get yourself out of that escape. Good job. Now, I don't know if we should be lane filtering this fast because we're gonna hit vehicles and then tap this one and then fall on the ground and then be like, okay, now all the lane filtering lanes, and I'm sorry, the distance gained has been gone now. So we're trying to get to the front as quick as possible. And now we got to deal with staying in the back because our bike is broken. So it's not good. It's just like speeding, like, 20 miles over just so you can get there 5 minutes early, but then you get pulled over by the cops and now it's an hour and a ticket, So here, let's go ahead and go through. We got, where are we at? It's probably like California. So Willie Anthem, we got plenty of California members on the Discord. So maybe you can go ahead and swing by and meet up with some of them. And we're going to go ahead and lane filter. So we lane filtered. We're getting through here. Is this California? I don't know. We're going to get through here. Lots of brake lights. So we should be in an orange stage maneuver. We should be rolling off that throttle, going at a decent speed that we can react in. Okay. Remember, we got to plan our ride. We have to make sure we have good total stopping distance. We need to progressively brake in case there's some type of emergency, or if we just need to. We need to keep our eyes where we want to go, so we're looking forward right now, okay? So we also have to keep an eye out for escape paths, which is what he's doing. He's kind of, finding those escape paths to get through everything. But we need to also swerve if we have to, okay? And we also need to not go as fast because we don't have enough perception reaction when we go faster and faster and faster. So there is that left turner, and we aimed for it. We saw that. That's the original decision, is to go through this lane right here. That was our original decision. We need to make a split-second decision at this point and say, we're going to go to this one instead. Because this one's closing. That one looks pretty open. We need to make better choices. This one right here, no. This one right here, yes. So, no buenos. We need to make good choices and good decisions. And the only way we're going to be able to do that is through practice, practice, practice. We do have practice videos on motorcycle training concepts, so please swing on by. We're going to be talking a little bit more about that. All right, so he's going to get through here, and it's like, oh crap, 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 oh crap. Nice little clipperoo. I was just wondering what he's doing with his hand. Nice little clipperoo of the mirror. I don't think he meant to punch it. I think he just literally hit his hand on it. So I'm not going to put that against you, Willie. And then we're going to try our best to apply some brakes. Oh, wait, when our hand hit that, it applied the brakes. So we were having some issues, got all messed up. And now we're going to go ahead and hit this Chevy Equinox. And we're up and over. That's what that means. So right now we're sitting normal. You see the dash? And then, oh, up and over. So where do you think our genitalia just hit? The gas tank. Woo. Now he's going to be pissed off at him. It's like, what are you doing, dude? I love having my phone on the handlebars so I can see what turns are coming up utilizing my GPS. The best way I think you could do that is using the rock form mount. I use it for my mountain bike, the little FTRs, and then also with the big boy FTR that I ride. And guys, links in the description for a discount. Check it out. You're gonna like it, and I'll be seeing you around. So we're lane filtering. It's California. He's doing pretty good. He's not hauling ass. He's just doing a little bit over. We've got a blinker right here. Now you got to watch out for these big gaps like this. He's going to move around, swerve back out, because if he stayed swerving to the right, would have hit that white car. Good job, Armando Guerrero. Good job. Hey, that's a real possibility, and that was a pretty decent close call to learn from. But I want to point out real quick the pattern, so hopefully we don't have to deal with this. Right now, this vehicle right here, there's a good pattern to come into this lane right here, so you got to watch out for that. You have to watch out for that. But he doesn't do it, so that's a good thing. That's a good thing. But we're coming up to here, and we're getting into the vehicles, and you notice how there's a gap right there, and then there's an indicator? Yeah. This right here is definitely going to be the pattern. Big, nice spot for this vehicle to get into, okay? So watch out for that. Thankfully, they didn't haul ass to go to it, and we're able to swerve to the right. Now, if we stayed swerving to the right, where are we going to go? We're going to go right into this. Got to be very careful with that. So he's going to swerve left to get out of there. Here we go. So the black BB. All right, so we're going to probably lane filter or not pay attention at all and get super close. The guy had the blinkers, he had the indicator, he had the brake lights and everything. Why do you think he wants to get over there? I don't know, but he did. He wanted to get into to the long line, maybe so he can slowly move over to the right and get off. But we should have seen that. But we're getting up to here. Now, this is like almost the opposite of the pattern I keep telling you. If there's a big, long line, watch out. They might come out and get you. But right here, what we have is a pretty long line, but somebody wants to get in it. Pretty weird, huh? But the only thing that you can really pick away from this is that the person in front of you is slowing down. And when that happens, it means you need to modulate your speed. Our space cushion is not good at all. Okay, there's our space cushion. Right now, it's okay. Right now, it's okay. No, it's not. 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 You see how the space cushion just completely got demolished? How did we get to this point? How did we get here? We weren't paying attention. We weren't modulating our speed to maintain. This person wants to get into here. You got to watch out. You just got to watch out. Now, this is just a normal close call. It happens. But we should have been a little bit more situationally aware and not assume the person would have, got out of our way. Okay? All right. So here we go. We've got a roundabout, intersections, orange stage. Don't be in the blind spot. There it is. Blind spot.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh. So the only thing we could take away from this is that intersections, orange stage, stay away from people and don't stay in blind spots like this. Stay staggered. Stay staggered, everybody. Don't get right next to people. Okay? Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.